Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to make dual app on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the App Store. Then in search address bar, search for the parallel space dual account option. Now scroll down and tap on the parallel space dual account option available there and simply download it to your iPhone. Once downloaded, tap on the open option available there and continue with the process. Now tap on the continue. Don't get the premium version. Now tap on the start app option available there and browse through the app you want to dual. Here I am choosing the Facebook. Now continue with the Facebook. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is log into this Facebook with another account of yours. Tap on your email address and password on the email address box and password box. And once done, you can go back to the home screen and you can find dual app with dual account on your iPhone. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.